This lesson is about using light to create abstract style. Firstly, we've got plastic containers reflecting direct sunlight. Focus is really on the shadow more than the object itself. You get different effects, of course, whether you use a coloured or a clear object. The variety of effects you can achieve are quite amazing. Similarly with glass. Doesn't matter whether it's clear or coloured, you'll still get interesting effects. This one uses a disc. It's a prism which can focus light. Next we have the use of sheer fabric. This is bunched up fabric capturing the early morning sun rays. Here the fabric is stretched more for a different effect. Again, the sun is low in the sky, as you can see. This one captures the moon. The fabric is a bit bunched to create that distortion, and the picture is shot from sitting on the ground. Again, through a fabric, a sheer fabric over a window, and reduced to black and white. Water is a great reflective surface for light, of course, so you can catch interesting fairy lights like these off the sea. Now here, for you to come back to, is a lot of detailed tips, because this is a bit more complicated than the first few lessons. So come back later to read those. Now looking at light trails, these images are all shot of the same scene, and it's several kilometres away, but with zooming in and moving the camera up, down, sideways, jiggling it. First you focus the camera on the scene, then do your jiggling, and take lots and lots, because some of them will be terrible, some of them will just turn out black because you've moved too fast. Now this shows you a piece of plastic curled to project light onto a wall. You'll notice the wall is slightly in shade, so the light will show up. Here's a plastic object, its shadow and its reflection. Here is the prism again, and you'll see the prism in the bottom right. A little bit of light magic, again just using a curved piece of plastic projected onto a wall, and the wall is in light shadow. Finally, fuller instructions for this lesson, including editing tips.